Okay, for tracing down the design, you'll see I cut the outline of my project there with the swivel knife so that I have a clear border that shows through the tracing film. I have my design on the tracing film with a Sharpie pen because that does not smear or come off on my hands when my hands are wet. So that's why I use Sharpie pen there. Then for doing the tracing, I use an old ballpoint pen that has no more ink left in it. So all that does the work is that little ball in front of the tip flows quite nicely, and you don't have to press too hard. And you follow those lines. Now, right from this point, it's a good idea to know and follow what you are designing. So if you draw and trace, work with this line here, it's the outline of this petal. You would not stop at that point and carry on there. This is one petal. You do that whole petal first, then the next one, then the next one. So that's how you pick. And that's important because carry on right from this. Every entity on this design will be an entity that you work with. Dotted line there for where the center of the flower will be, and follow carefully. With these designs, floral carving, be as accurate as you can, but a little slip up here and there will not be too bad. The most important thing is, if you make a mistake, is not to go and correct it. Just follow through or stop where you are and put your pen on the line and carry on. And that's how you're going to trace the whole design. You'll see that I have a weight on one side here. That's to keep my paper knot from moving around, so that I know that I'll have one design for the whole thing, no movement on the paper. Some guys tape it somewhere, that's your choice.